英語でズバリ。
I'm the eldest son. Long time no see. You resemble Grandpa. Let's get together at New Year's. I want to introduce you to my parents. Do you get along with your siblings? I live with my grandmother.